Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the file folder in the File Explorer on Windows 11. Even though you can see all your files on your desktop, using the desktop folder makes it more efficient to sort, search, and organize your files. Please stay until the end for a free bonus. Let's get started. Here's how to sort. I'm going to switch to detail view. So I'm going to go under view. And the list, I'm going to left click on details. Now under name, we can sort alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A. So I'm going to left click on that. And I have all my folders alphabetical from A to Z. And then I have everything else, the numbers first, and then all my other files are alphabetical from A to Z down to Zoom Workplace. The next place that we will sort will be date modified. So left click on date modified, and you can see either the latest ones first, or you can click on it again and get the ones that are oldest first. Okay. And now type. This one here tells you what kind of file it is. So I have several file folders, so they're right here. And then I have PDF, I have shortcuts for Chrome, and I have some images. You also can click on those to get them all in order. And also Windows 11 has their own way of organizing these, so it's not up to us. So the file folders are first, and then Chrome, and then the images, and then shortcuts. I use my desktop mostly for projects I'm working on. So I will save something to my desktop until I use it. So something like my YouTube thumbnail. Here it is here. And I can also see it on my actual desktop. So I will save things here until I'm done, and then I will file it in a permanent location. Now we're going to practice searching. So click on the File Explorer again. We go up here to the right side, left click, and search desktop. So let's say I want to find my thumbnail. So I'm going to type in thumbnail. And it gives me a few that I've been working on. So I'm going to do the one that I last did for YouTube, my start menu. And then it opens up, and there it is. And also you can find it on your desktop also. You can also search by the extension. So let's see what some extensions are. You can do PNG, and that'll bring up all of my images. Now pin it to the quick access. We're going to get into File Explorer again. And we're under the Home tab on the left side, left pane, and then it shows us all the quick access. So desktop is already there. So to unpin it, we'd right click and unpin from quick access. And then if you decide you want it again, you left click on desktop on the left pane. Well, right click, and then you pin it, left click to pin to quick access. And then go back to home, and you find it right here on your quick access. That way you can find it wherever you're at in your computer. You can bring up File Explorer, quick access, under home, and you can get to your desktop. Now you can open desktop instantly from anywhere when you're working in your computer, no matter what you're working on. So let's summarize what you have learned today. The desktop folder equals the desktop screen plus management tools, which includes sorting, searching, and pinning, which makes your workflow faster and less cluttered. I have a bonus for you for staying until the end of my video. In the first pinned comment below, I've attached free written instructions covering everything I just taught. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more tutorials. And also, I'd like to teach what you're wanting to learn, so please comment below what you'd like the next tutorial to be. And thanks for visiting my channel.